all the life. There were plants and birds and rocks and things. There was sand and hills and rain.
On the way na kami sa Kaunayan Falls. Ito na yung kanto papasok. Ganda ng view dito. Enough ko yung traction control. Testingin natin kung kakamot-kamot siya.
The air was full of sound. I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of.
Meron silang pool. Private pala to. Private resort. So, meron silang cottages, meron silang pagtulugan din. So, walang katao-tao dito. For sure, dun sa Dito Mabo, sobrang daming tao dun ngayon. Linaw ng tubig, oh. Grabe. Maganda siya, pang pamilya tong falls na to. Hindi tulad dun sa Dito Mabo na sobrang malalim, tapos malakas yung agos. Goods. Ginaw.
Talk to me, talk to me. Talk to me, talk to me. Come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give. I want it. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Whatever the type of talk it is. I gotta know you're meant to be the man I need. Talk to me, talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me, talk to me.
Ganda, oh. Surfing sila. Medyo kumalma yung dagat. Kita nyo ba ito? Paalis na kami ng Baler, Aurora. Yan si Tito Bal. O pinsan nila mother. Binigyan niya kami na maraming isda sa aming stay dito sa Baler. Pahirapan daw ang isda ngayon kasi malakas yung alon. So pag malakas yung alon, hindi pumapalaot yung mga mangingisda. Thank you Tito Bal. Gusto daw niyang kumuha ng Harley. Magre-retire na siya sa kanyang serbisyo. Dadalhin niya daw kami sa Dinapigi.